How to change alarm sound on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the clock application on your phone. This clock app is a versatile tool with multiple functions beyond just telling time. It includes features like alarms, a world clock, a stopwatch, and a timer. Go to the bottom panel and tap on Alarms. Over here, users can set multiple alarms with custom labels, sounds, and repeat schedules. For example, specific days of the week. Tap on any of your set alarms. You can view and edit the alarm information from here. Now, go to Sound as shown. You can now view and explore all the different alarm sounds available on iPhone. Select a sound from here and then go back. After that, tap on Save at the top right corner. You have successfully changed alarm sound on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.